There are few things worse than seeing your check engine light turn on, or any other hazard light for that matter. Is it a major issue, or is it a minor fix? Today, Greg is going to cover some things you may notice happening to your truck that could be a sign that something is wrong. If you spot the warning signs in time, you may be able to avoid a major breakdown.
Hi, I'm Greg. I'm a shop trainer and quality assurance inspector at the ATS service facilities. I was a tech for more than 30 years before joining the team a few years ago. So let's jump into the warning signs that a breakdown could be near on your truck. First one, truck won't start. Take a note of whether your truck is cranking slow, taking a long time to turn over, or it's not turning over at all. Did the truck do this after sitting for 3 days without being started, or did it do it after a 10-hour reset? Log this information. It helps a lot and makes it easier to diagnose the problem. Second sign is your fluids are low. Check your fluids regularly. Check your oil every day, your coolant levels, see if it's gone down, see if you notice any trend of it using more or losing any. If you're regularly having to top off these fluids, you probably have a leak somewhere. If you notice a spot on the ground after you've parked, try to note that, where it's coming from. There's times the leaks could hit the ground and not show any sign on the engine at all. If you have an idea of where the leak is coming from, the shop will know a better way to start looking at. Third one, you lose engine power. Are you noticing that your truck just doesn't seem to have as much power as it used to? Or if you're noticing when you're accelerating, or you notice you may have a boost leak or a bad sensor. Loss of engine power means you could be in an engine derate situation also. This is an emissions issue. This means that your truck is operating in less than ideal conditions. The engine will cut it back on its output to preserve the engine life until you can get it into the shop. Again, keep good notes for the shops. They'll help you out. Fourth thing is your fuel economy has decreased. Your fuel economy could drop due to the weather, heavy loads, and the type of roads you're driving on. If it's a significant drop, like going from 7 miles a gallon to 5 miles a gallon, like overnight, it's time to get your truck checked out. You could have multiple issues causing this. Number 5, you can't get into gear. Are you hearing odd noises when switching gears? Especially if you hear unusual noises while in reverse, there's likely something wrong with the transmission. If you have a manual truck and can't get into gear, there could be a clutch adjustment issue, or the clutch brake may be malfunctioning. Number 6, your truck is shaking or vibrating. While shakes and vibrations will feel different, both are a sign of a larger problem. If your truck is shaking, it feels like you're driving over rumble strips for about 2 miles an hour. You'll feel a shake. The whole truck will move up and down, side to side, something like that. You'll feel the cab shaking up and down. A vibration feels like driving over rumble strips at 65 miles an hour. It's more of a buzz feel. If your truck is making these noises or pulling towards the ditch, you may have an issue with your steer tires. Shakes may be the result of a broken internal belt, or your air suspension has gone down for some reason. Number 7, you hear weird sounds. If you hear weird noises coming from your truck, like knocking or high-pitched whistles, let a shop know immediately. You may have a boost leak. You may have other issues going on. Get it checked out. Let the shops know under what conditions you're hearing it. Number 8, your exhaust stack turns black. Modern trucks should not emit any smoke from their stacks due to the DPF, the diesel particulate filter system. If you do see smoke, there's a problem. Check your stack regularly. If you have black soot in your exhaust stack, you could have a breached DPF on your hands, which can lead to bigger issues such as SCR, your DEF system issues, which will give you a derate.
Truck breakdowns are hard to avoid, but with the current parts shortage, it's more important than ever to catch the problems early. If you'd like to learn more about preventing truck breakdowns, check out the link below. Thanks for tuning in to another edition of Over the Road on the Truck Driving channel. We make videos like this every week, so if you found this to be helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out on the road.